Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add Omni card to Apple Wallet. So if you use the Omni card and you want to pay it through your Apple Wallet, so I'll show you how easily you can do it. So first you have to simply open up your mobile phone, and after that you have to go to your settings, but you have to make sure you have the Apple Wallet app. Once you get to the settings, you have to scroll down and then you will see this option Wallet and Apple Play. Open it up and then you will see this option for Apple Cash or add a card. Click onto it. Then here we have this option for transit card. You may see the travel card there. Both of the options are same. Now once you get there, you have to search for it from all these available cards. Otherwise, you can also just simply search for it. You can just simply type the Omni here and the card will be available there. I don't have the option here because of the region. I have different region where the Omni card does not work. But if you're in the same region where the Omni card work, you have to simply search for it and then it will open like this. Then what you have to do is that you have to click on continue. Then it will ask you how much you want to add. So you can add as per your choice and then click on add and add a payment. If you already have added your debit or credit card, then it would not ask you. But if not, then you have to simply place your card near your phone. It will fetch its identity and after that it will be added. After that, the Omni card will have the amount in it, and whenever you have to pay, you can pay it through your Apple Wallet. So that's how you can add the Omni card to Apple Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like and also a comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.